Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to delete Phantom Wallet account. For that, make sure you already have the application on your device and you are logged into your account. Now, at this home page, at the top left, you can see a profile icon. You have to tap over there. Again here, you can see settings icon at the top right. Tap over there. Here you can see several options. You have to tap on the option security and privacy. Now here you can see the option reset app at the bottom. All you have to do is tap over there. But remember, if you want to get back to your Phantom wallet in future, you must get hold of your secret phrase. If you haven't stored or copied your secret phrase somewhere, then you won't be able to log into the same account next time. After that, all you have to do is tap on Reset app. Now, before tapping on Continue, make sure that this will remove all existing accounts and data. Make sure you also have your secret phrase and private keys backed up. After reading this, all you have to do is tap on Continue. You can now see that you will be back in the login page, where you need to either create yourself a new account. You can again log into your account, but for that, make sure you already have your secret phrase somewhere copied. If not, then you won't be able to log into your same account. And this is how you delete your Phantom wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.